Bismillah. In today's video, we talk about a common mistake done by many students when they are dealing with integration by parts. Let's start by putting the formula for the integration by parts. Integration by parts comes from the product rule of differentiation. If you have two functions of x, u, and v, the derivative of u times v is equal to u times dv by dx plus v times du by dx. If we integrate all the parts, we get that uv equals the integration of u dv plus the integration of v du. If we rearrange that, we get that the integration of u dv equals u times v minus the integration of v du. Let's take an example. If we have the integration of x times e to the power of x dx, well, now there is an important rule here. How can we choose the function that we take as u and the function that we take as dv? Well, we have a simple rule called Liati. What's Liati? L-I-A-T-E. Logarithmic, inverse trigonometric, algebraic, trigonometric, exponential. So we choose u from the function that appears first in this list. In our example here, we have x is an algebraic function and e to the power of x is exponential. So if you look at them, then we find that the algebraic comes before the exponential. So we choose u as x and dv as e to the power of x dx. Now let's apply the formula. So if u equals x and dv equals e to the power of x dx, then du will be equal to dx and v will be equal to the e to the power of x. Then if we integrate u dv, then we integrate x to x times e to the power of x dx equals uv, or x e to the power of x minus the integration of e to the power of x dx. Then the result will be x times e to the power of x minus e to the power of x plus c. And don't forget this constant. So this is the common mistake that we were talking about. Many students forget the constant. Look at the wrong formula here in red, and then the green formula is the correct answer. Okay, now taking another example, if we have the integration of x squared times ln x dx, we take u as ln x because it is logarithmic, and dv equals x squared dx because it's an algebraic, and the algebraic comes after the logarithmic in Liati. Okay, now du will be equal to 1 over x dx, and v will be equal to x cubed divided by 3. Now the integration will be the integration of x squared ln x dx equals, it will be equal to x cubed divided by 3 times ln x minus the integration of x squared over 3 dx. Then the final answer would be x cubed over 3 times ln x minus x cubed over 9 plus c. And watch for the constant and don't forget it. This is a common mistake that many students make. If you find this video beneficial, please like and subscribe, and check out the other videos in my channel. And if you need personalized help in math, check the links in the description, and see you in the next video.